Cartesian coordinate system. Objective: describe a Cartesian coordinate system, x-axis and y-axis, quadrant and origin. Plot the given pair of coordinate in the Cartesian coordinate plane and determine the quadrant given a pair of coordinates. The Cartesian coordinate system, also known as the rectangular coordinate system, is a two-dimensional plane defined by a pair of perpendicular lines called axes. These axes are usually labeled as x-axis horizontal and y-axis vertical, and they intersect at the point called the origin, denoted as 0 and 0. Each point in this system is represented by an ordered pair of numbers x and y, where x indicates the horizontal distance from the origin and y indicates the vertical distance. This system allows for a precise plotting and analysis of the point, line and shape, making the fundamental fields such as mathematics, physics, and engineering. It was named after the French mathematician René Descartes, who developed it in the 17th century. Axis. X-axis horizontal axis, the axis that runs from left to right with positive values to the right and negative values to the left. Y-axis. Vertical axis, the axis that runs from bottom to top with positive values up and negative values down. Quadrants. Quadrant 1, positive x and positive y. The upper right quadrant where both x and negative values are positive. Quadrant 2, negative x and positive y. The upper left quadrant where x values are negative and y values are positive. Quadrant 3, negative x and negative y. The lower left quadrant where both x and y values are negative. Quadrant 4, positive x and negative y. The lower right quadrant where x values are positive and y values are negative. Points. Origin 0 and 0, the point where the x-axis and y-axis intersect. 2. X-intercept, the point where a line or curve intersects the x-axis. 3. Y-intercept, the point where a line or curve intersect the y-axis. Ordered pair x and y. X-coordinate are called abscissa. Y-coordinate are called ordinate. Number 2. In which quadrant would you find a point with coordinate 3 and negative 4? A quadrant 1, B quadrant 2, C quadrant 3, D quadrant 4. Number 3. What is x-axis